Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the future of transportation. With technology advancing rapidly, the way we move around is rapidly changing too. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at three futuristic modes of transportation: self-driving cars, hyperloops, and drones. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are vehicles that use advanced sensors, algorithms, and communication systems to operate without a human driver. These cars are also known as autonomous vehicles, and they have the potential to revolutionize the way we travel and commute. One of the primary benefits of self-driving cars is increased safety. These vehicles have the ability to react faster than human drivers, and they are not prone to distractions, fatigue, or human error. As a result, self-driving cars can significantly reduce the number of accidents on the road. Self-driving cars can also lead to increased efficiency and reduced traffic congestion. With the help of real-time data and communication systems, these vehicles can navigate through traffic more efficiently, reducing the overall travel time for commuters. Additionally, self-driving cars can drive closer together, reducing the number of cars on the road and freeing up space for pedestrians and cyclists. Another benefit of self-driving cars is increased accessibility. These vehicles can provide transportation for people who are unable to drive due to physical disabilities or other factors. In addition, self-driving cars can be used to provide transportation services in areas with limited public transportation options. However, there are also challenges to the widespread adoption of self-driving cars. One major challenge is the development of the technology itself, which requires significant investment and research. Additionally, there are legal and ethical considerations surrounding self-driving cars, such as liability in the event of an accident and the potential impact on employment in the transportation industry. Self-driving cars have the potential to revolutionize the way we travel and commute. While there are challenges to their adoption, the benefits of increased safety, efficiency, and accessibility make the continued development of this technology worth pursuing. Hyperloops. Hyperloop is a futuristic transportation system that uses specially designed capsules to transport passengers or cargo at high speeds through a vacuum-sealed tube. This technology was first proposed by entrepreneur Elon Musk in 2013. And it has since gained significant attention and interest from the transportation industry. Hyperloop technology works by using magnetic levitation to propel the capsule through the tube, while also eliminating air resistance. The vacuum-sealed tube reduces the air pressure, allowing the capsule to travel at speeds of up to 760 miles per hour or more. This means that a trip that would typically take several hours by car or train could be completed in a matter of minutes with Hyperloop technology. One of the main benefits of Hyperloop technology is its potential to revolutionize transportation and reduce travel time. With its high-speed capabilities, Hyperloop could make it possible to travel between major cities in a fraction of the time it currently takes. This could have significant implications for business, tourism, and everyday commuting. Hyperloop technology could also be more energy efficient and environmentally friendly than traditional transportation methods. The system would require less energy than airplanes or cars and could be powered by renewable energy sources, such as solar or wind power. Additionally, the reduced travel time could lead to fewer cars on the road, reducing congestion and air pollution. However, there are also challenges to the widespread adoption of Hyperloop technology. The development and construction of the necessary infrastructure, including the vacuum-sealed tubes, would require significant investment and research. Additionally, there are concerns about the safety and reliability of the system, as well as the potential impact on existing transportation industries. Hyperloop technology has the potential to revolutionize transportation and reduce travel time significantly. While there are challenges to its adoption, the benefits of high-speed, energy-efficient travel make the continued development of this technology worth exploring. Drones. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are aircraft that are operated remotely without a human pilot on board. Drones have gained significant attention in recent years due to their versatility and potential applications, including their use in the transportation industry. Drone cars, also known as autonomous ground vehicles, AGVs, are essentially drones with wheels. They are designed to be self-driving and can transport goods and even people without the need for a human driver. One of the primary benefits of drone cars is their potential to revolutionize the transportation industry by increasing efficiency and reducing delivery times. Drone cars can be used to transport goods and packages directly to their destination, bypassing the need for traditional delivery methods that rely on human drivers and vehicles. This could significantly reduce delivery times and transportation costs, particularly in urban areas with heavy traffic. In addition to their use in goods transportation, drone cars also have the potential to provide transportation services for people. Self-driving taxi services are already being tested in some areas, with companies such as Waymo and Uber developing autonomous taxi fleets. These services could provide an alternative to traditional taxi services and reduce the need for personal car ownership. However, there are also challenges to the widespread adoption of drone cars. One major challenge is the development of the technology itself, which requires significant investment and research. Additionally, there are legal and ethical considerations surrounding drone cars, such as liability in the event of an accident and the potential impact on employment in the transportation industry. Another concern is the potential for privacy and security issues, particularly with the use of autonomous vehicles that collect and transmit data. Regulations and safeguards will need to be put in place to ensure the privacy and security of individuals and their information. Drone cars have the potential to revolutionize the transportation industry by increasing efficiency and reducing delivery times. While there are challenges to their adoption, the benefits of autonomous ground vehicles in terms of cost savings, improved traffic flow, and reduced congestion make the continued development of this technology worth pursuing. In conclusion, the future of transportation is an exciting and rapidly evolving field. Self-driving cars, hyperloops, and drones are just a few examples of the innovative technologies that will transform the way we move around. While there are challenges that come with each of these modes of transportation, the potential benefits they offer are enormous. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we can look forward to a safer, faster, and more efficient transportation system in the years to come. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you found it informative and enjoyable.